Welcome all of you to the 25th lecture of Digital Electronics. So here we are dealing with module 2. So in the last lecture we were dealing with reduction of Boolean expressions. In this lecture also we will be continuing with that. So coming to the first question of this one. Reduce the expression f is equal to a or bc bar the whole bar and ab bar or ABC. So first step is demorganize the first term. So A or demorganizing first term. Okay. A or BC bar the whole bar. That is given by A bar dot BC bar. That is equal to A bar dot BC. Okay. So first term is A bar dot BC. Therefore we can write F is equal to A bar BC and AB bar or ABC. Now multiply. So we will get A bar BC AB bar or A bar BC ABC. Yeah. A bar dot A is 0. Similarly here A bar dot A is 0. So answer is 0 or 0. Therefore final answer becomes 0. Coming to the second question. Show that AB or AB bar C or BC bar equal to AC or BC bar. So this is something related to included factor theorem, but here in this question I am not going with included factor theorem, but instead of that I will do it some other method. So here we get AB or A bar or AB bar C or BC bar, right? Okay. So here we can write it as see, in this term which is absent, C is absent. In this term A is absent. So I am expanding that term in that way. That means you should remember that A or A bar is 1. Similarly C or C bar is 1. Also B or B bar is 1. Okay. These are the golden rules which you are going to apply in this question. A or A bar is 1, C or C bar is 1 and B or B bar is 1. So first term becomes AB and C or C bar. Or in the second term all terms are there, so it is AB bar C. The third term A is not there, so it is or BC bar and A or A bar. Okay. Because if I am multiplying C or C bar, the effect is only 1. So AB and C or C bar effect is AB only. Okay. So I am going with left hand side here. So now expand it. So we get ABC or ABC bar or AB bar C or ABC bar or A bar B C bar. Now how to simplify it? If you are taking A bar B, where is there any common with A bar B? A bar B, that is nothing common. Now C bar, anything is common. Yeah, for C bar you can have, wait 1 second, ABC bar or AB bar C bar or ABC bar or A bar BC bar. Yeah, AB is there, AB bar is there, AB is there. Yeah. So you can take AB common from these two terms. So that is AB C or AB into C bar or AB into C bar or Z bar. C bar or C bar. What is it? or A B bar C or A bar B C bar. That two terms are same. So A or A is A itself. So you can have A B C or A B C bar or A B bar C or A bar B C bar. Again, if you are simplifying it, what do you get? C or C bar is that you are simplified as A B C bar. Okay. Now again, if you need to simplify it, you need to get AC, right? AC or BC bar. So here BC bar term is there. So if you are taking these two terms, what do you get? These two terms and these two terms. Okay. In these two terms, AC is common. So AC into B or B bar, or in second term and fourth term, which is common, C bar is common, right? C bar, yeah, BC bar is common. BC bar into A or A bar. Okay. So what is B or B bar? B or B bar is 1. Similarly, A or A bar is 1. So answer is AC or B C bar. Okay. So here what I am doing is, if some term is not there, you are adding it in the form of 1. How to add it in the form of 1? That term and or that term bar. Okay. So coming to next question, third question. Show that A B bar C or B or B D bar or A B D bar or A bar C equal to B or C. So you need to prove this. Prove that A B bar C or B or B D bar or A B D bar or A bar C is equal to B or C. So if you are looking to these two terms, so here B is there, so no need to touch B. So if you are taking these two terms, you can write it as A B bar C or B or we will get B D bar is common. B D bar into 1 or A. B D bar into 1 or A or A bar C. What is A or 1? A or 1 is always 1 itself. That is when A is equal to 0, 0 or 1 is 1. When A is equal to 1, 1 or 1 is also equal to 1. So A or 1 will remain as 1. So that will become A B bar C or B or B D bar or A bar C. Yeah. Now what is the next step? So we can proceed in this way. That is given by A B bar C or B into 1 or D bar into 1 or D bar or A bar C. 1 or D bar is again 1 itself. So that gives A B bar C or B or A bar C. Okay. Now you need to simplify this term. So how to simplify this term? See, in this term A B C is there. In this term which is not there. In this term A is not there. C is not there. In this term B is not there. So how we can write it? That is A B bar C or B into A or A bar and C or C bar. Okay, A or A bar is 1. Similarly, C or C bar is 1. Similarly, in last term B is not there. So A bar C into B or B bar. Now try to expand it. That gives A B bar C or A B bar C or A B bar C or A B. Okay, you first expand the other terms. Or B into AC or AC bar or A bar C or A bar C bar or A bar BC or A bar B bar C. Okay, I'm just expanding the terms. Okay, now you will get A B bar C. Yeah. Okay, now again, if you are simplifying it, first term will be A B bar C. First term is A, B bar, C, or. Second term is ABC, or. Third term is ABC bar, ABC bar, or. Next term is A bar, BC, or. Next term A bar BC is there. The next term is A bar BC bar, A bar BC bar, or. What is the next term? Yeah, okay, A bar BC bar. Okay, so you have got the four terms here, or A bar BC, or A bar BC, or. Last term, what is the last term? Last term is A bar B bar C, A bar B bar C. Okay, so is there any way to simplify this? So you get A bar B bar C. Where is there any common terms anywhere? First you check for common terms. A bar B C, yeah, A bar B C, A bar B C is common. So you get A bar B C only. Then anything else is there? Yeah, okay, so you can write it as A B bar C, or A B C, or A B C bar, or you get A bar B C, or A bar B C bar, or A bar B bar C. Now here which is common? Now can I take anything common from anywhere? Yeah, so you will get something like so C, A bar B bar, yeah, so you can take from where? A bar B, yeah, from these two terms. Sorry, no, not that two terms. Yeah, so from these two terms I can take AB as common. So AB bar into, or AB into C or C bar. C or C bar is 1. So we'll get AB, right? So ABC or ABC bar is AB itself, or A bar BC, or A bar BC bar, or A bar B bar C. Now here we can take common. Now we can take common from, yeah, BC bar is there, A bar C is there. Okay, so here AB is there. Where there is AB, something, you know. Okay, yeah, so from these two terms you can take A. So you get A into B or B bar. B or B bar is 1, or A bar BC, or A bar BC bar, or A bar B bar C. So it will be A, or then from these two terms what I can take? A bar. From these two terms I can take A bar B, A bar B, or you will get C or C bar, A bar B or C C bar, C or C bar, or then A bar B bar C. What is C or C bar? C or C bar is 1. So you will get A or A bar B, or A bar B bar C. So from these two terms what I can take? B into A or A bar, B into A or A bar, or A bar B bar C. So what is it? A or A bar is 1. So you will get B or A bar B bar C. We have not reached the final answer. So how to make it into final answer? See here which is redundant. Here which is the order term B. Okay. So along with B you should add something. So that is equal to B into A or A bar into C or C bar, or A bar B bar C. Last one is A bar B bar C. So that gives B into AC or AC bar, or A bar C, or A bar C bar or A bar, B bar, C. So again, taking back, that is ABC or AB C bar or A bar BC or A bar BC bar or A bar B bar C. Yeah. So on further simplification, what do I get? Whether anything is common? Yeah. In these two terms, A bar B is common, right? Yeah, and A bar B bar, whether anything is common for A bar B bar. For A bar B bar, nothing is common. So in these two terms, AB is common, right? In these two terms, AB is common, so we will get AB. Or in these two terms, which is common, A bar B is common, so we will get A bar B. Or in this term, you will get A bar B bar C. So here you will get, so I am going to take A bar from here. So this AB or A bar into B or B bar C. Into B or B bar C. Any way out? Yeah. So here also, if you are going with this step, you will not get the way out. Okay. So again, I will simplify it another way. So here you will get what? Here AB or A bar B. Answer is B or A bar B bar C. So you are coming to the same point, right? Okay. But we have to prove that is B or A bar B bar C. Yeah. So but we have to prove that is equal to B or C. Okay. So how to prove that? Okay. But here if you are going in this way, you will be coming back to the same step. Okay. So what I am going to do is I will do it with a different track. Okay. Again, I will write left side. Left hand side I am writing it as AB bar C or B or BD bar or ABD bar or A bar C. Okay. So here you need to add which all things. That is the next question. Okay. So prove that is equal to B or C. That is the question. Okay. So B is there. So no need to touch on B. Okay. So you are allowed to see. So no need to touch on. 1 second.